Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to change language on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And now, without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the settings page, and then in the settings you just have to scroll it down until you will find this system options. Tap on it. Now click the first one, which is the language, to change it. And here to change the language, you can choose the language that you want to change, which is the system language or the application language. Here I'm gonna choose this first one, which is the system language. And if you want to change it, you just have to add first the language that you want to use. Here there is two lists, which is English, Indonesia, and here I'm gonna tap on add language to add more language. For the example, here I'm gonna choose the Filipino one. I'm gonna tap on it. And if you want to use the language, or if you want to change the language, you just have to choose the language that you want to change. For example, here I'm gonna choose the Indonesia, yeah guys. You just have to hold and drag it to the first options or to the first list like this. And now tap on change to change the language. And yeah, now as you can see, the language is already changed in this phone. So yeah, I think it's enough from me and from this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your likes and comment below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.